All right, this is Christmas 2021 in San Antonio at Honey. No, it's not YouTube. At Honey's house. Wonderful Honey.
She's so wonderful.
Perfect, honey.
Nan, how perfect is Honey?
Yes. Nanny, would you like to tell us how perfect Mom is?
How perfect is your daughter?
She's the most perfect daughter I ever knew.
That way,
She
Mom
knows-
can always rewatch this
She knows how to do
when she doesn't
everything.
feel perfect.
Oh no, she knows she's perfect.
She knows it.
But how is she perfect?
She knows how to do everything. It's magic.
You're magic, Mom.
Are you magical?
You're magic.
Would everybody like to take a minute to go around the room and talk about how perfect
That
and
would be
Yes,
a good
I would like to
idea.
hear each person tell
No.
my best trait. Jordan.
Jordan, you start.
I just wish the. No, I don't know. I got nothing.
Wow.
Nanny, take the floor for me.
Draven. Draven.
Draven, your turn.
Here, let's.
How
open
old
some
are you,
stuff,
Draven?
Or we're
How,
never gonna get to
honey,
the
how
zoo.
perfect is Mom?
Okay, you can stop that.
Stop what?
You're so
You have to
wonderful.
film the whole.
I am filming.
The whole thing.
Ah.
Okay.
I'm ready.
Yeah, whose is it?
Draven.
Hi,
To
Draven, my
Draven from
candy.
Nanny.
To Draven from Nanny. Right there, Draven. Present.
Draven, come here.
Present.
Draven.
Here, open.
I didn't give him a present.
Hey, did.
Oh God, you dropped that.
Remember, you were supposed to give me the money because I spent it.
She's like, oh, I forgot.
Oh, the drama's already happening.
Did I give him a
The Real Housewives.
We talked about it
Yeah,
before I
Mom's
came
got
over
my
here.
thousand
Remember,
pages.
I said I already bought Draven's present from you.
All right, who has Draven's card?
You were supposed to.
Okay,
It's
You were
up
supposed to
there.
not give it to
I
him.
know.
oh, it's up there.
What do you got, Draven?
Card.
What kind of car?
Oh, it's not a choo-choo.
Is it Bluey? That's not
Is
Bluey.
it Thomas the Train?
It's Butch's.
Butch's?
Oh, it's Thomas
No, it
the
is
Train.
Thomas.
Yeah.
Where's the black dog?
Robbie.
Oh, look, it's a zoo. I mean, a giraffe.
All right, what else is there, Xander?
Madre.
Let's keep this Christmas party happening.
To Draven from Scarlet.
Is this a Draven Christmas?
No, it's not. Oh,
It's just a Draven Christmas.
You can open one
That
more
was-
and I give it to someone
There's.
else.
Did you find
Oh,
it?
All right.
Chad, do you
Well,
feel
those-
neglected? Do you need a present?
What about me?
Do we need to do like Gage and give you a present every
Oh,
time
that.
a child gets a present?
Gage.
What? It's your dada.
who's that from?
From Scarlet.
Ooh, it's the Count.
Oh my god.
That would be funny.
No,
If
it
that's
is.
what you got. Did you really?
Well, no, it's Sesame Street.
That is
I see mounted
And
on.
he's in there. That's why I got
It's Daddy.
And money.
Daddy.
Oh, you got Jordan and Mom.
Yeah, where's the grouch?
What if
Oh, it's
that's
in there.
Oh, wait. Hey, Mom, you're in there too.
what if those were his favorite
And
though?
then we got Bert and Ernie. We got the whole
Well, that means
family.
Xander engaged or what?
Bert and Ernie's Xander engaged.
All right, Xander Claus.
What's Scarlet gonna be?
We got Scarlet from Honey. I mean,
You sound the same way he
Nanny.
does.
What? What,
Yeah.
Xander?
Scarlet from
They got
Nanny.
Scarlet from
You got
Nanny.
what?
They got the boogers.
Scarlet.
From you.
What do you got, Scarlet from Nanny?
Wait a minute, who's that
Oh,
from?
Scarlet. Scarlet
Nanny.
From Nanny?
What's this?
Oh, it's
That's what they
FNF.
said.
Are you sure that's not Gage's?
I was gonna say,
I don't know
no.
what that is.
Okay, this is
Everybody
Honey.
gave her
That's the
money.
one you gave.
Scarlet, what is it? What is it, Scarlet?
Jordan, give me that
It's
bag.
zombie Friday.
For the love of God, give me the bag. I need to repack it for next year.
I'm trying to clean up.
Gage, are you hoping for Nif?
No.
Chad, she's wanting me to take
Hey, Gage, you jealous?
Oh, Scarlet, is it Bon Bon?
It's a zombie Friday.
It's Willie from Nanny.
It's not from me.
All right, Xander.
Okay, we got
I gave you money for
two,
it.
Chad and Jim from Nanny.
I got
All right, Jenna, open
You
it.
better read that again.
Oh, Honey.
Yeah, that's for
Everybody keeps saying.
Wow.
Everybody keeps reading Nanny. Honey.
All right, pass it to mommy.
your handwriting is kind of.
Your handwriting looks like it says Nanny.
Nan's
It looks
also
like
is that
it looks like an N. Look at that.
H-O-N-E-Y.
No, that's an A.
It looks like an N.
Nanny is N-A-N-A.
Mom, Honey writes kind of crazy.
I know. It's like
Yeah.
that's why I thought it was Nanny.
Now this looks breakable.
She'd always have
And I don't want to.
What did Nan?
Oh,
or
Honey
what did Honey get us?
I don't know. I'll just take one out. Oh, it's so cute.
Beetlejuice.
It's Beetlejuice. Are they all
There's,
different?
no, I think they're all the same.
Okay.
I think there's 4. Universal Studios.
Cute.
A wonderful gift from a wonderful Honey.
Perfect, honey.
Perfect Honey.
Perfect.
This is
Perfectly
from Nanny.
precious. Thank you, Nanny. I already know what it is.
Well, what is it?
It's a check. You told me earlier. I'm not gonna open it in front of everybody.
You
You
need
told
to
me it was a
read
check.
It might be. It might.
No, I'm
it
not
might
gonna
talk
read
about how
it.
wonderful you are.
I'm sure it
Let's
is.
read it out loud.
I'm
To
sure
my
it's a
most perfect
I'm sure it's a
Angelica's
generic-
daughter.
warmest Christmas wishes. It's the first Noel. Born is the King of it. It's a song. Thank you, Nanny. It'd be nice if you would have signed it.
Oh, you didn't write it?
Would have been easier to
I was
cash.
thinking she was going to write something.
You didn't sign it.
I was thinking it was
Nan's
gonna
dementia.
Well, that's
really
true.
check.
Well, here, let me
Well,
just.
look, everybody better look at their checks. Maybe I didn't sign.
Any of them.
Everybody blank checks from Nanny.
Blank checks even better. All right, what is there, Xander?
This doesn't say what it's from. It just says Jennifer and shout out.
Jennifer. Maybe it's to Jennifer from Chad. Jen's. I wish. I wish.
It says Jennifer and then Chad. So, I guess
You know people's handwriting.
so here you go.
Hey, Mom, who's that from?
What does the tag say?
This is your mom. I think it's your
It's
mom's
me.
handwriting.
It's me. That's my writing. I guess I forgot to write my name.
Just like Nan forgot to write on the check.
Your dementia too.
Oh, well, this works because I destroyed mine.
How'd you destroy it?
She put it in the washing machine.
You're not supposed to wash it.
Well, I know. She found out.
You just scrub them with a scrub brush or
She
whatever.
found out the hard
Real
way.
Because I
bad.
think this comes off or whatever.
Yeah. All this came
Mom
off.
watched
You had a different. You had which? You had.
Oh, look, and we didn't have this one.
Oh, Camp Crystal Lake.
Yeah, you had.
I had Sam.
Sam.
Xander Claus.
Then we got Scarlet from Honey.
From Nanny?
Honey.
No, no.
Okay, you move over. That way.
I'm trying to
Was that the
film.
wrapping paper that I just got at the dollar store?
Draven, are you gonna help out? The Draven's jealous. Hurry up before Draven gets there.
He's going for it.
Hurry up, Draven's gonna get it.
He's going for it.
Who is that from?
Oh, God.
From Honey.
It's like, don't touch it.
Do not touch this.
Xander here.
Amazon Prime.
Wow, is that for Xander?
No, I'm just. He's handing out. So I
Oh, I was like, geez.
Oh, yeah, all this is for me.
Xander's your favorite
Xander, here's
grandchild?
my favorite grandchild. These are all yours.
This is for you.
Yeah, okay.
What do you got, Scarlett?
No, he's handing out. Scarlett, what's in there? I don't even remember.
I don't know how to open boxes. So I need to
I'm
help.
gonna open it for you.
You need a fingernail. Actually,
Well, Gage would use his fingernails, but I cut them.
you sound the same
not.
way.
If Gage had his
Got
long
it taped
fingernails.
solid.
Anybody who's watching this, I had to cut Gage's fingernails.
No, you didn't. I mean, hey, don't mess with that. That's trash.
Gage, that's gonna put this on YouTube.
Dumb. Why you
Gage,
gotta
let me see those
make-
fingernails.
Let me see mine.
Ooh.
I know, right?
Why you gotta tease me, dog?
No.
Help out, Draven. Help out, Draven. Uh-oh. It's the Christmas
The
COVID.
last time I was in Corpus, I had to go to the doctor.
Well, you did.
So,
Me and you
hopefully
both
y'all
were
have
sick with
sore
the same
throats.
thing, and we got over it on the same thing.
We should.
Draven.
I think you had allergies on top of yours. It's the only reason it was worse.
Oh, what is that? Batteries.
You got batteries.
I got your 20 batteries to go with it.
Another remote control.
Look, and you gave you enough batteries for.
So now Sonic and Mario can race.
Oh, man.
Draven's all that. I'm jealous. Wow. That was loud.
Draven's trying to be so
Okay,
nice.
Scarlett, you can put it here. You can just put it back in here with the batteries.
Oh, you got placement?
Here, Scarlett, put it back in the box, baby.
Yeah, you're not gonna open it. Draven will be. Draven's got one at his house, so
Yeah, you can play with it. There.
it was over by
Who's
mom.
always putting bracelets on?
It came. They were free with what I bought.
Oh, nice. He's trying to hide it all.
Yeah, be annoying to Gage.
Oh, that hurt my finger. Xander, what else you
It's
got?
okay.
Someone's gonna call the cops.
Gage from Honey.
To Gage from Honey.
Jeez.
Gage,
Mom,
give
you
Honey
put
a Christmas
bracelet
kiss.
In there. Mom,
A Christmas kiss.
you
What's
put
he
a
got?
bracelet in there and he's trying to claim it. With
He likes bracelets.
Gage, she's
I
going in
don't know
for
if I
the
want to
kiss.
give him a kiss.
Still
'cause
yours. We'll get it.
I
We'll
see.
get it back.
You already had that.
We'll move on.
No.
Oh, okay, because y'all said y'all wanted it.
Call of Duties.
Yeah, you did. I remember.
You and Xander were there together.
Why? You do not like it?
No, it's
Maybe it was Xander. who
You know
wanted
what?
it.
I have the receipt.
Call of Duty Vanguard?
I have the receipt. You can, if you,
ask for that.
listen, as long as you do not open it, you should be able to return it and exchange it at Walmart.
Well,
So if
Gage
you
is
want, I'll give
already
you the
disappointed.
receipt.
I'm not.
Did you know?
No, I forgot that.
Y'all
Dad?
two were sitting there together, and I said, "What game do you want?" And I think you said Call of Duty, something ops. or
I didn't ask for that. I think
Maybe
he did.
Xander said he had to
Well,
take
y'all
a
were
duty.
Together, and so I said,
Maybe he
okay.
was saying that
That
Xander
definitely
wanted
I
that.
had to take a duty. Oh, Call of Duty?
Next up, we got Xander from Honey.
Oh, you open it up,
There's a
Xander?
bunch of stuff in here, and then I see this. Oh, this is Draven.
You're just stealing stuff?
Don't take Draven's baby toys. Is that
This is
Draven's?
Draven.
So you got nothing?
You know, you're not gonna let Draven open it.
Merry Christmas, Xander. You.
No.
I decided instead of giving you something, I'm giving it to Draven.
Yeah, just give it all to Jaden. I got a hat, Mama.
Oh, that's cute.
What is on it?
Oh, it's precious.
Camp Crystal 8.
It's precious.
I would've-
Yeah, he's worn hat.
Why don't you put on your hat?
After this,
Put on your hat, Xander.
wait, I had to adjust this thing.
Am I a camp
Well, here,
counselor?
adjust it later.
Yeah, come on, let's go.
Oh,
Wait
that's
until
way
you
too.
moved
I
on.
don't even look at me now.
And he's back.
It's an adult size.
Take
but-
it away.
Adjust it.
Here,
Put
look.
it right there.
Oh my goodness,
Okay,
Draven.
so next we got
Hey, you think
Draven from Honey.
Draven, look, look.
Okay, be passing out because we're never gonna.
Yeah, we're done with
We're
Draven.
never gonna get to the zoo.
Never.
Try to go to the zoo.
Yeah, we do.
Yes, we do, Gage.
We don't.
You want to look at the lights
I don't want to look at
Oh, you know,
and see Santa?
We're gonna have one day.
We're gonna call you Debbie Downer. Have you ever seen Debbie Downer? I'm gonna have to show you all her videos.
Ask
of her
Honey. Take it to Honey, and
her
Honey will tell you.
Honey, this don't have a name on it.
Oh, shoot. Son of a gun.
Yeah.
Son of a bun.
Oh, we figured that
All right,
out.
next,
I
Xander.
think it's Xander's.
Come on.
I got
I think it's Xander. Oh, no, it's Draven's.
Javen's again.
202.
What do you got, Xander?
I got him the same shirt.
I already have this shirt.
Oh, and that was from Spirit.
Yeah, that's where I got it. It's alright.
Yeah, but
Two's better than none.
this is my second shirt now.
Well,
That's fine. You can both wear them.
I'm gonna wear them at the same time.
Yeah, put your hat in there with that.
Yeah.
So you keep them together.
I got the
Ooh, tutu.
Ooh, Thomas.
He loves freaking trains. Oh my god, right now he's
Let's
like
go to
obsessed
Fiesta and
with
ride the
trains.
We
train.
got Chad from Honey.
How am I going to do
Oh, they're
this?
magnetic.
Yeah.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
You got a POV view, point of view.
Forever bringing them to me.
What do I got?
I don't even know what to do.
Draven, you want to help me?
Draven?
Draven,
I don't know, now that he got these tutus.
toot toots. Do I got a matching shirt?
Yes, I want y'all to be twinsies.
Probably.
Now, if you don't like it,
Beetlejuice?
If you don't like it, you can give it to.
I love Beetlejuice. Oh, that's really cool. I like that.
Universal,
one is a good one.
Universal Studios.
Did you buy it when you were at the park?
Universal. No, I ordered Universal as soon as they put their stuff online for Halloween Horror Nights.
That's
I
really
bought
cool.
that. I bought.
I'm sure Honey bought me an XXL.
No, I believe
How
it's
many
a
X's?
4X.
4X. Okay, that's my size.
So you can grow into it. Don't worry, I'm right behind you.
It's
Chad.
a 7X.
We're gonna be the family of 4X.
Oh, you can give it to
We're gonna
Jim.
be the 4X family.
So we got Jordan from Honey.
That's why we can't go,
Jordan.
that's why we can't go to Disney. We're all too
Is
fat.
it?
We can't fit on the rides.
I don't see
What
how-
did Honey
so-
get Jordu?
No, just some more. So we got
Wow,
to
Jordan.
Chad from Momsy. Mumsy.
Mumsy.
Momsies.
If you ever watched Roseanne, one of the last episodes, they were hanging out with these really classy rich people that would wear the sweaters tied around their necks. And they were like, oh, Mumsy. What do we do
Makeup's
next,
Chad.
Mumsy?
Fabulous.
So I like to
It
call
still won't help that
Mumsy.
wrecked face.
Mumsy.
You
So
got
now we
purse,
got
baby?
POV view. Me opening.
You got purse. You got the purse. You got the bracelet.
You know what? Anthony photos of me with purses and makeup.
Mom, very pretty.
Is it another Beetlejuice shirt?
I thought, well,
Let's not get
that's more
nosy.
like a costume
Let's not
shirt.
get nosy.
Jen, hold it open.
No.
Hold open that 4X.
Oh, that 5X.
That was cute.
Now I have a suit
It looks
to
like
wear.
it's gonna fit
A
Chad
what?
perfect.
You have a suit. There you go.
Yeah,
It's really big.
I know you have another one, but this
It's
is a
just Chad's
t-shirt.
size.
it's not big enough.
You can wear it when you visit.
It looks like a 7.
Whose is this?
I think that was mine. It was just an empty bag that we can read.
All right, what do we got there, Zandu?
Nanny from Honey. I mean,
Wait a
yeah,
minute.
Nanny to Honey.
Yeah,
Nanny
that's
to Honey?
Let's reread this later.
From Honey?
Yeah, from Honey, I mean.
From Honey, kind of
Honey,
Honey.
Honey.
From Honey.
I bet it's wonderful.
It's so wonderful.
Since it's from Mom.
Oh,
Let me see one.
It's
from my
wonderful
precious
and
angel
magical.
baby princess.
American Marxism?
Yes, you always talk about Mark Levin.
Scarlett. Scarlett, are you going to help Nan?
So I got you his book. Number
Nan
one
needs your
bestseller.
help.
You know what? You are no longer perfect.
And Jesse Waters.
And I know you like Jesse Waters.
How I say
She's
the
like, I'm
world.
very
That's
disappointed in
his
this.
number one bestseller too.
Not
you
a
know how
Trump-
you're a Fox
Well, yes,
addict.
Hannah
So there you go. There you go. And now you like Jesse Waters. You're always
Yeah,
talking
I
about
like
how
Jesse.
handsome he is.
What
And
about
Mark Levin, you
a
talked
Trump
about
book?
his book.
Yeah, I do like all of it.
We're on
Well-
17 minutes, so we got to pick up the pace.
That's right. We
here.
gotta go
So we
fast.
got Draven to Honey.
Raven.
Draven, where's the Draven?
Raven.
Get him away from there. I don't want him by my
Draven,
plant.
come here, look.
There's that voice. Hey, do the loud voice for Mom.
No, don't let her do that.
Nails on the chalkboard, Nan.
We got
That's true.
Scarlett from Honey.
Scarlett, step right up. Thank you, honey.
Oh, I see a place I missed on your brain.
Did everybody
Scarlett,
in the family
thank
get
you,
one of
honey.
those big books for the fall?
Yes, and Jordan's got
What is it? She's got
They
excited
haven't
face.
seen it yet.
Well, I got two books.
I know, but I'm just saying.
On this wide angle, I can get Raven and
Haven't
Scarlett.
seen any of that yet.
There's one right there too.
I put it in.
Is that Blue's Clues?
No, Mom.
This is from Draven.
two Draven or from Draven.
To Draven from Honey.
All right, Xander, pass out those gifts.
Okay, so
Gage is feeling neglected. Look at him. He's got his arms crossed.
Draven. Gage just said,
Is there anything for Gage?
No, that was it.
Not you. This
It
is
is.
so
You
cute.
got another present.
And look, you can carry it around.
I only got one present and you don't even like
It
it.
comes with all them. I love
All right, come on. Let's
So
get
this is the
this.
last present we got.
And a hippo,
is
a
it?
turtle, an elephant.
Oh my
God.
So we got Jordan from Honey.
Oh,
Baby.
are those for Gage? What does it say, Gage?
Jordan's.
All right, throw it to Jordan. When she's paying attention.
Throw that in the face.
Wait.
Imagine if it Draven.
That's Raven's. That's Raven's.
Okay.
Who's that to?
Here, Draven, look.
Scarlett wrote on it.
What is this big gift?
Strategy. Oh.
Oh my god.
Honey's still bringing out.
Honey's still bringing out Christmas.
Dad, this is to you and Jen.
All right, well, Jen, open it.
I think that was yours, Jordan.
It is.
What is it?
But he was so like wanting to open it.
Who is that big present for?
This isn't a present. But I'm tired of seeing you wear that same pair of shorts all the time.
It's a pillow.
That is not part of the video, Mom.
You got the trick or treat picture, Chad.
Oh, that's cool. The family
Do y'all
photo.
have that one?
I
No.
don't have that one.
I got it, and then I thought, I bet they got that one.
Okay, this is to the rugs.
The rug would be Jordan.
The rug.
Hey, did you open the
Jordan.
box?
Why is she a rug?
She was always the rug rat.
Oh.
Jordan,
wow.
fruit salad bugs. Fruit salad bugs.
Oh, yay.
The Wiggles are awesome.
The Wiggies.
Revenge
There's
is
someone
sweet.
in here.
What?
Fruit
Guys, this is
salad.
yours.
All right,
Gage.
Gage.
Mark on you for sure. All these
How
years
did I
later,
run to that?
I would never have got that.
What do you got,
on the
Gage?
phone.
It was
let's
stapled, it was
see.
stapled shut. Give that to your mom. So we
Call it the Vanguard house.
Nah.
I want all of
Don't
them.
take
It's a
don't
card.
take your hair off.
It's a card.
give it to your mom.
PS4 card.
That's fine.
I want to say something. I want all of y'all to look at your checks and be sure I signed them.
You do.
That's it for you.
Okay.
This
Not
is
yet.
this is to Xander
To Xander?
from Honey.
Thank you, honey. Or honey.
Gage, did you get all yours from me?
No,
He's hoping that one of his is that big present.
I'm not. I want
I
that
did.
big
I
one.
gave him. What did you get from me? The card.
He got a
Oh, look at
he
that.
got a game.
a
Wait.
card, and there was something else. There was
No, I
three
think that
things.
was it. Didn't we take a vote that we weren't going to get Gage or anything? Mom.
What is it, Xander?
Didn't we take that
Look
vote
at that.
that we weren't going to get Gage much this year?
Thank you, honey.
Okay. Gage, I know I got you three things.
No, Gage.
You only got me
He's
two.
mad because mine never came in. So I had to tell him, oh, it's coming if you just didn't get it.
Oh.
And then he got,
Oh, you got the exact same one?
it never
Oh.
came
But
in.
he wanted. I know.
I got it for
Nine-
him and Mikhail, and it never came.
Nightmare Toys
Gage.
didn't come in.
you gotta
I
let
got my
him
money
know.
back.
It'll be.
Gage, I know I got you three things.
I only got two.
Yeah,
I get one.
he got the game, a
To
card.
Jen from Honey.
What? I know. I
To
just-
Jen.
To Jen Fear.
It's a P loan.
Hey,
What?
Walter.
What's that?
Jennifer,
the
don't be
hornet
jealous.
socks. She got me that shirt.
I know, I remember. But I also thought it was cute.
But we can match.
Oh, she is.
We would
Miss Argentina.
We would
No.
look so awesome if we went out
Okay.
in our matching shirts.
Like Disney?
Yes.
Yes.
Where? Oh, Gage, are you playing with that toy?
No, I'm looking.
You know what you should do?
I'm looking.
You should break it because you're jealous.
No,
Oh, yeah.
don't do that.
Like he did with the Leatherface.
Yeah.
That was a long time ago.
Hello, you didn't see me pick it up to get it out of the way?
What has honey brought?
So many presents.
Scarlet,
Scarlet.
suck up that snot. Gagey poo.
Gagey Boo.
Aww.
There's your third and only last present.
Your last present of the
That's it, Gage.
Thank you, honey.
Why do you throw it on the floor? Oh my god, now I know who's going to want that game.
No.
Now you have to see if you can actually play this on Jordan's.
Mom.
What is it?
Does it play on
This is Draven's.
Yeah.
What is it, Gage?
Resident
Oh,
Evil 2.
Charlie, now
I'm trying to
this is
condense
cool.
and he's trying to take them all out.
So you get
Wait a
the,
minute.
you're the spell.
What do you got,
Take
Xander?
everything like in a big bag.
Here,
So,
well then,
Oh.
juice shirt.
I wanted
Oh,
to put
cool.
this up high. He
That's
said-
Joe's.
Oh, that's cute. Hey, I got socks to match that.
Really?
Yes. We can have matching.
Beetlejuice's face counts as a shelter.
I'll let you put that in here.
What about that?
This was Draven's from Nan that I was telling you about.
Oh wow.
Gage was hoping it was for him.
Well, let's see
Can I
what
have
it
the
is.
biggest one?
It's gonna be a train
Well,
set.
yeah, he can open them, so I'm gonna see if he'll open it.
You gotta empty out this table.
I can't imagine what it is
So-
for me.
I already know.
Nan, do you want to give this one
Dan,
to
you
him?
outdid yourself.
No, just go ahead and.
He's gonna open
I got
the whole
my
thing.
hands full.
Draven.
Raven.
Oh, Draven, clear the table here.
Woo!
Xander, what's in that bird bag there?
What is
That's
it?
it, baby.
He doesn't know where to go. It's so big.
He didn't know what it.
It's on top of the
Looking it
table.
over.
The Dravenator.
He knows he needs to open it.
I'll give you a head start.
I found it
This guy looks so gay.
right here.
Mom, it's 2021. We don't say
The
that.
art game. All the way.
Right
Oh, they
here.
are.
Yes, they
Raven's
are.
right here.
They're like,
They're happy, Mom?
So.
yeah.
They look like Kelly that dude. The Wiggles.
They were way back in the day when Jordan got to that toy. We just never gave up on the Wiggles after that.
You should have got it with singing sound he could do with Draven.
Xander, what is that one there?
Yay. This is the present, the shirt.
Oh, okay.
No, it's just empty. You want it?
Well, I just need to give y'all a big enough bag to condense all your, take all your stuff.
Oh, you got that.
Yes.
Because I thought they were so cool. But I was like, no, I don't want to pay for that. 'cause
I
it's
know, it's
expensive.
expensive.
How cool, Jordan.
Well, it was really cute.
What is it?
It's like a Dia de los Muertos, like hot little tumbler thing. But I thought it was really
Uh-oh.
cute.
Dropped it.
Jordan, why don't you help out? Scarlett, why don't you help out?
Oh, we're gonna never see what it is.
God.
He's like on top of it.
No, he was trying to.
Of course, and then you got the inside part.
Yeah.
It says what it
With
is.
that train.
Oh, it's a train. Jen, we need to hurry up and leave before I have to build it.
No, there's nothing to build. That's what I
Okay,
like
good.
about it.
I like it too then.
That's perfect. Here, Jordan. I
I
want
didn't
you
know
to
you
do
were
it.
doing it. I didn't even. Oh, this is a nice guy, so here.
Yeah, I like it because it's one piece.
Okay, good.
No, Chad, you need to build it before you.
We need to build it.
You can't leave till you build everything.
Open.
Xander's gonna take over the building.
Open.
Hey, what happened to Anthony? He's gone.
Oh, he took his father. Or
Yeah, he-
Jordan put it in her pocket for later.
Yeah.
Is it easy to open up with
I know,
Draven
I'm
climbing
like,
on it?
Saving it up.
He's taking over. He's like, move out of the way, Jordan.
Yeah, he's got the
Mama?
open and pressing thing down, but.
Out of my way. What, Jordan? It's a what?
Well, it's a two-sided. One side here. This is the this is the.
Look,
train.
even Honey wants to play.
Well, I'm gonna show him. This is the train side.
This is his too, he didn't even open.
He says it. How does it go, Draven?
Yeah, he always says choo choo.
Yeah, I finally heard him.
Oh yeah.
How's it go, Draven?
And there's one
Draven.
over here.
He's gonna be in the zone.
I know, he's not even
That's not
The other train table, like he played with it and he went around it.
Here's
over
Gage
and over
Short
and over and over and
gauges.
over and over.
Chad shorts he needs to try on, make sure they fit.
Chad, go put.
Before you leave,
They're not pretty. Yes, before you leave.
Or did you
Oh,
try?
I'm not doing my key.
but there's also this
I don't
big one right
Yeah,
here.
it's that huge one.
Or what does Mom call it? A biggin?
Big.
Jennifer says it's a biggin.
Look, you're gonna have to open these, so then you're gonna have more. Oh my God,
Mom, there's one last present.
there's a giraffe
I
in
know
it.
that's Draven's.
Draven. Draven. He's not gonna play with it after that.
I know, once he's already got something like that, he's like.
Hey Gage, pick him up and bring him over here.
Sure he's-
Pick up
I
Draven.
thought there was a giraffe in that one.
You probably do best with that on the floor.
Did you kill him?
You take him away from the train. Look at this, Draven. What is this?
No, you can play with it on the floor. You can play with it right here.
Draven.
Right here.
Draven. Did your mom need to help you?
I know.
Jordu. You got this one.
Is that for Draven?
Yeah. That's why we're trying to get Draven over here.
Mom, I can play this.
It might be tricky because he's already.
How y'all can keep up with all these.
Didn't he get? Didn't he get more than 2 trains?
Yeah, he's had lots of trains.
Okay, well let's open. Let's not
Draven.
open that one. But where's the other train that
Right,
opens?
Mommy's gotta he's opened a few.
I know. Where's the
I
other
don't know
train?
yet.
There's only
But
2
there's-
here.
There's 2.
There's only two toots.
Draven, look.
I think there was 4.
Hey, look.
Well, I thought this
There
opened up.
was. I don't know.
No, it's that's the good thing about it. It's you don't open it or put it together.
Okay.
But he's missing.
All right, let's see. Let me put it right here.
Baby.
Draven.
Alright, Chad.
Ooh, look at that.
Turn around, Draven.
Draven.
Is this for Javen?
All right, Scarlett, help out Draven.
No, look, he loves it and opens the doors.
Is
There you go.
he doing it? Oh.
No, he's
No.
he's opening this present.
Here, turn around, Jordan.
What's the present?
It was car.
It's a police car.
And he moved out of the train.
Hey, move!
Hey, hold on, that's Draven's.
Well, I was telling her to help out because Draven won't go to it.
Yeah, he's not. I just wanna be sure we didn't throw away.
Why don't you hold him, Jordan?
Mom, no,
Oh, that's it? But I saw 3 packages.
Draven, what do you got?
Mom, I opened some of them.
I know, but there's only 2.
I know. Can you give me like a minute? I haven't. It might be one of these bags, or it might be on the ground somewhere.
I don't know what y'all just.
It's step 2.
No, I mean I'm paying attention.
Mighty, my size table and chair set. We need the knife.
Oh, I think I have it.
Wow.
What is it?
It's just a table and chairs.
Chair.
Crap, I don't.
So he'll quit trying. Yeah, there's a knife.
Oh, so you can move the table and climb.
Yeah. You don't need the knife to open it? Well, you don't have to open it.
I'm trying to look
You don't have to open it. You can wait until you get it to your house.
Is this in hopes that he won't find her table anymore?
Yeah, he can sit at his own table.
Draven, you like your train? Draven, toot toot.
Oh, he's diehard trains right now.
Fiesta, Texas, ride the train.
No.
Or you can go to Dark Dimensions Haunted House and watch the train videos. Just watch them over and over and over and
Ooh, this is good.
watch all the ads. Get me more money. Right, Draven.
That only serves like a
Draven. Toot toot. Rudy toot toot. Draven.
Oh, they're all in the racks. There's the koala.
What are they?
All right, so we're gonna end this video
Yeah, they're
with
little
Gage
itty-bitty
saying,
animals.
"What are you thankful for this Christmas?"
Oh,
What is Gage thankful
I don't
for?
know. Hopefully,
I have
that's
no
okay with them.
idea.
He's thankful for Jason Voorhees
Yeah.
What's right?
action figure.
Oh, panda.
Yeah, Mom. Here's the rest of the trains.
Yeah, I was thinking there was 4.
Turtle.
As long as there's 4 pieces.
What are you thankful for, Xander?
5.
The toy I got that Gage don't got.
Cause he's got 3 right here and 2 right there.
Just kidding.
Oh, there's a 32-minute
Yeah,
video.
that's fine.
Okay, you sign